Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a simple braid. First, let's get ready. Gather your hair, whether it's all pulled back or just a section for a half-up style. Make sure your hair is completely detangled and free of any knots. This preparation is key for a smooth and easy braiding experience. You'll want a comb, a hair tie, and a mirror handy. Now, let's move on to sectioning your hair. This is a crucial step for a well-formed braid. Carefully divide your hair into 3 perfectly equal sections. It's important that each section is roughly the same size to ensure a balanced braid. Hold these 3 sections firmly in your hand, keeping them separate so they don't get tangled before you start weaving. All right, it's time for the actual braiding. Take the section of hair on your far right and cross it over the middle section. This right section now becomes your new middle. Then, take the section on your far left and cross it over what is now the middle section. Continue this alternating pattern, always bringing an outer section over to the center. You're almost done. Keep braiding, repeating the over-the-middle steps until you reach your desired length. This is usually about 2 or 3 inches from the very ends of your hair. Once you've reached that point, firmly secure the end of your braid with a hair tie or an elastic band. For a softer, fuller appearance, gently tug on the sides of the braid.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.